The Keurig Plus series is designed to brew the perfect cup, mug, and carafe time after time. Choose a K-Cup pod to brew a single cup, a K-Mug pod to brew a travel mug, or a K-Carafe pod to brew a 4-cup carafe. You can even brew your own ground coffee with the My K-Cup reusable filter. Your Keurig K400 is a premium coffee maker that features a removable 70-ounce water reservoir, large color touchscreen, your choice of brew sizes, up to 12 ounces for single cups, 16 ounces for travel mugs, and 30 ounces for carafes, strength control, temperature control, programmable clock, auto on and off, and customizable features to make it your own, like wallpapers. Choose from hundreds of varieties from the brands you love, including America's leading coffee brands, making it easy to brew your favorites your way.